if you're asked to clean up your printmaking supplies, you will scrape off the extra ink off the popsicle stick. That goes over in the trash. And the printmaking spoon, you want to make sure it's nice and clean. If it's not, please use a rag to wipe them off. And it goes right in here where it says printmaking spoon. Put the lid on the ink, and the ink will sit right back over here. Now the fun part, washing the plexiglass. It's actually plastic, it's not glass. All you do is put the plexiglass in the sink, hold onto your brayer, turn the cold water on. And you don't need to touch the ink at all. Take your brayer, rubbing back and forth. Make sure you're not splashing. This may stain your clothes. So be respectful when you're doing this part. And as you are rubbing back and forth, the water will clean your brayer and it will clean the plexiglass. It's pretty sweet. And after this out, oops, I have one little spot left to clean, but just for the sake of time, you'll put your plexiglass standing up and your brayer in the green bucket with the brayers.